Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Walmart. This is their beauty box. This is a quarterly subscription, it's $5. And this is the spring 2020 box. And this is the trendsetter as well. There's different types you can get. So the first product I'm pulling out is from Biore. And this is its Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. That's pretty cool. Very pretty color, and I've never heard of rose quartz with charcoal, so that'll be good to try. Also have from Heads and Shoulders, Supreme, Nourish, and Smooth. Let's see, is this... Oh, Scalp and Hair Conditioner. Yeah, cool. And it's free from sulfates and paraffins and dyes and all sorts of stuff. This is a pretty good sample size. And I go through conditioner like crazy, so happy to have that. Next we have Hello Naturally Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. Have gotten plenty of these in the past. This scent, or flavor rather, is farm grown mint, has tea tree and coconut oil. I love getting these. They're perfect for traveling or to throw in like a gym bag if you want to brush your teeth. Oh, cool. And a toothbrush from Hello. It says soft. It's charcoal infused tapered bristles, BPA free. I like that it's all black. That's pretty neat. Black bristles, white teeth. Oh, okay. So yeah, that goes together with this. Same brand. Love that. And one of the last products, this is from NYX Professional Makeup, hashtag this is everything. This is a lip oil, it says. It's a pretty pink color. So yeah, definitely worth the $5 in my opinion. Also got a sample size Hello Vitality, or Natural Vitality. This is Calm, a magnesium supplement, raspberry lemon flavor. Interesting. Has stevia and natural organic raspberry flavor. Very cool. Then there's just a few little cards with product information. Sometimes they do put like coupons in there as well. Spring Beauty Sensations. Cool. So if you guys would like to join, I'll put a link below where you can sign up. Like I said, 4 times a year, $5, and well worth it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.